ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi ta ka Frank Motors. Ka Tata Safari ka SUV ka bapaw tam jong ka India minta kalami ha ka jinglong batmai ringkat bat khatsan teligi features baningkong e ha ka segment. La play ye ki booking but ya ki jing tip bakambnya one shaka Frank Motors lat ko ringi lani phone hau number hinyo not sausan ar not hinyo khanda hinyo lai.
Usimbut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubapaya katanat kampo yeng uba Preston Tensong akan rutrik uno pra araja apula wilayah ho baka Sorkar jela kampat yok Ktien ruem haduk kini kisngi nakinong yalam bahalor jonga sengking atiar hinyo trip National Liberation Council ban peteng Biang Ïakren. Ïakren begila patai kubor uba Preston ula kerpa dikinong yalam bah khamat jonga seng Hnlc bikin wan syakmat banyak keren namar baka jingkhang jonga Sorkar kapli na kabenta jongki hakanu kapor.
All these issues can be discussed across the table when the senior most leaders of the Hnlc along with our interlocutor from the state as well as from the central government sit across the table, discuss, then come up to the government what are the recommendations. Not only senior leaders, top leaders of the Hnlc. Let me still keep requesting this. Top leaders of Hnlc. The door is open for discussion. One round of formal talk has happened. We would like to see the second, the third, the fourth, till we reach to the conclusion. So far, not yet. We are yet to see. Because see, if they do, I think it will come through their interlocutor again, because they have already sent to us officially that whatever communication they'll do it through Mr. Sadambra, and then it will come to their government.